all this participation, and we got 18 people in the class. We got 8 people logged in. So it means we're missing 10 people. And if anybody's having any difficulties with Nearpod, let me know. You know, you can always answer in the chat. For those who are waiting for their classmates to get logged in, you can go ahead and start to do now. Okay, I was about to say something about the excitement in the chat, but all those people that are in the chat right now are also in Nearpod answering. Alright, we only got 9 people. Let's see. Let's go down my list. Alright, those people who I do not see in the Nearpod, I am sending you the link personally. Make sure that you get logged in. Hey, Duro, what's up, birthday boy? I don't even see you in here. Oh, what's the code? Alright, there's the code. Anybody, I'm gonna put it in the chat. Anybody else? Please make sure you join in. Alright, we're at 12 right now. Remember, I've had everybody in all my classes logged into the Nearpod, so that means we're missing 6 people right now. Come on, Kamaya, log in. And Marcus, I don't want to be here. Please be here. Come on, Kanaja. Join the group. I'm trying to get y'all to 100%. I need y'all to keep pace with the other houses. We're only missing 4 people. Here you go. Hey, Daryl. Just because it's your birthday doesn't mean you ain't got to do the activity. I'm going to come and get my birthday licks. Alright, 30 seconds for those people that haven't joined. We at 14. Means we're just missing 3 people. Alright, let's go ahead and start. Hopefully you'll join by the first question.
What if you could use genetic engineering to stop humanity's most dangerous predator? The deadliest animal on the planet, responsible for the death of billions. The mighty mosquito. Along with other diseases, it plays host to malaria, one of the cruelest parasites on Earth, possibly the single biggest killer of humans in history. In 2015 alone, hundreds of millions were infected and almost 500,000 people died. A new technology could help us eradicate malaria.
reproductive, the digestive, the endocrine, or is it the muscular? Just to update, we are at 15 people logged into the Nearpod out of 17. Yes, sir.
For up to a month, they stay here in stealth mode, consuming the cells alive and changing into their next form, small, drop-like merozoites. They multiply, generating thousands of themselves, and then burst out of the cells. So thousands of parasites head into the bloodstream to look for their next victims, red blood cells. To stay unnoticed, they wrap themselves in the membranes of the cells they killed. Imagine that. Killing someone from the inside and then taking their skin as camouflage. Brutal. They now violently attack red blood cells, multiplying inside them until they burst, then finding more red blood cells, and this cycle repeats over and over. Pieces of dead cells spread lots of toxic waste material, which activates a powerful immune response, causing flu-like symptoms. Among the symptoms are high fever, sweats and chills, convulsions, headaches, and sometimes vomiting and diarrhea. If malaria breaches the blood-brain barrier, it can cause coma, neurological damage, or death. The parasites are ready for evacuation now. When another mosquito bites the infected human, they get a ride. The cycle can start over. In 2015, the Zika virus, which causes horrible birth defects if it infects pregnant women, spread rapidly into new areas around the globe. It too is carried by a mosquito. The mosquito is the perfect carrier for human diseases. They've been around for at least 200 million years. There are trillions of them, and a single one can lay up to 300 eggs at a time. They are practically...
Oh, y'all are hilarious in this chat, man, about who was first. All right, let's see. All right, James. James was first. So we're going to leave it at that. But most of y'all are wrong. I see some of us are starting to get it. And just to update, we have 16 out of 17 people in the Nearpod. You said A. A isn't correct. A is not correct. Said not good enough. Alright, we just missing. And just to update y'all, correct answer is Plasmodia. Got one more. Just that, who's that one person? Just click the button. Somebody just hit me in the chat. You revised it though. Okay. Alright, who's that one person? Click the button. 30 seconds. Come on, EJ. Click the button.
Is Eric Laxor?
Yes, fuck.
Hey, I pressed it. This ain't registered yet.
Oh, it ain't registered? Okay. It's cool.
Impossible to eradicate,